Hey, what's up, buddy? How doing? I hope you're doing great. I'm Virendra Bablu, and today I'm here again. You can see at my field area where I practice my spoken English. So now I'm learning spoken English. So I practice my English, and that's why I made video like this. And I practice because when you're trying to speak English, so you have to practice because without practice you can't speak. And yeah, guys, I'm just practicing. I maybe some do mistakes. My goal is to practice. When my fluency will get improved, then I'll improve my some mistakes, some grammatical, some I do little mistakes. So that's why I'm only focusing on fluency. So it's very good to improve your fluency to speak. That's why I'm doing. And guys, it's my field area, and no one is here. And I come here. I practice my English here. And also, guys, one main thing that will improve your English, you explain everything. I explain everything like see, I'm here at my field area, and here it was wheat fields, and now it's all burned because it was extra like this. And it's very complicated for cultivating, and many obstacles for cultivation and for next crops. So that's why. And you can see, guys, it's one of the birds here. We call it titiri, and you can see now how they are speaking. And I'm not disturbing her, but why they are speaking so loudly. So guys, you can see I make like blog type. So I speak in front of my mobile and I record everything, and after that I see. So if you wanna try to speak English, so you have to speak, because without speaking you can't speak. Many people understand, many people read, many people write, but they don't speak. You have to speak, and whatever come in your mind, first you do many mistakes, and that mistake make you perfect. So I also do many mistakes, many grammatical mistake, many words I don't put exact words, exact sentences. So I also do mistakes, but I'm regularly doing. My daily resolution is that I have to at least 10 minutes record, and 10 minutes speak without any hesitation, without any stoppage. Start mobile phone and start speaking, and it gives you boost, because when we start not come in our mind what to speak, and you speak anything like I'm here at field, and you can see there are lots of birds roaming around on me, and why don't they was bothering me and it's irritating me. So and I came here field area, and yeah, you can see here your practice. You can explain everything like I'm here practicing my English, and here not any greenery, here all dry area. It's summer season, so not much greenery here, you can see. And yeah, this type. And also it's a morning time, so it's a little breezing, so it's a very pleasant weather. And you can go outside your, if you have place or you have fields, big fields, you can go there where not many people, so you can practice, because when you speak in middle of the people or in public area, so people judge, people look at you, people stare at you, people judge you, what's he doing. So it's a little embarrassing and it's a little problematic. So in the starting you go on very open area like this, and here no one will stop you, no one will judge you, no one will see you, so you can practice here a lot. And also, guys, if you wanna speak English, you have to speak loudly, because when you speak loudly, because our mouth used to English language, so it not come out our mouth exact words, exact sentences, and even pronounce some words, some sentences. So if we speak out loud, so it correct, and when we do incorrect, so our brain it improve, and next time we improve ourselves. So that's why also very good if you speak loudly, so it's very good. So that's why I came here, and there are not anybody, and you can see all barren type. It's not any crops, and also guys, it's the main reason why, because in my area there are lots of problem water, because here water irrigation system is quite bad. It's very easy to irrigate area. So you can see like only one tube well here, and yeah, all area only one or some borings here. That's why, and it's quite far from village, quite far from main road. So here connectivity also not very good. So that's why people don't prefer here crop. Do only some crops like paddy and wheat. So it not take much water, not take much inspection, because other crops if we do like vegetables, so we have to much inspection, like we have to take care. It's very regularly, like we have to irrigate to 6 days, because it's summer season, so it's dry very soon. So that's why. And here you can see not any greenery. Here's some greenery, so that's sugarcane plants, and here not any greenery. Now guys, you can see here it's all little sugarcane farm. Now you can see it's all burned it out, and it's a very loss. And also there was also some sugarcane plants, because it's a very hot season and everything very dry, so fire catch very soon, and not very cautious farmer, so it catch very soon and burn close, also burn all crops. So it's very take care of this. So now guys, you can see all wheat field burn, and some it's very close that farm, people burn that different crops, also different farmers crops. So you can see this is the sugar cane, and you can see the sugar cane also burn, because it's a very close. So now guys, time 6:15 a.m. so you can see it's a very morning time, and I come as early as can, because some farmers come there see their crops, and now you can see the sun is coming, and in the morning there was quite cloudy, so now the sun is coming, and the sun is beaming. And also guys, you notice my video, I use some words. If you want to learn English, so you have to learn lots of words, because without words you can't explain. So I put some words, many words in my videos, like different words, like advanced word. So it's like beaming. Beaming means that something is coming very slowly and very smooth way. So that's beaming. So you can see that the sun is beaming, and now it's morning, so it's a little breezing. Breezing means that it's a blowing cold wind, and it's very pleasant. So guys, my daily relation is that 10 minutes. So I completed my 10 minutes. When I started, I watched lots of heckling, lots of statter, lots of stoppage middle of this video, but nowadays I'm quite fluent, and now it's my 10th session, and now I'm quite fluent. I'm not quite fluent, but yeah, I can relate that first two ones, and now I'm quite better. So I'm very grateful that I did, and yeah, it's a work if you do daily, so your brain will used to that I have to work, and it's very good if you do it in the morning. Morning utilize very good way to improve your English. So I did my 10-minute session, so please let me know how's the video, and how did I wrong, how did I mistakes, and yeah guys, I'm learning, so I can mistake, I do mistakes, so please correct me, and tell me how's the video, and what should I do improve. So I'm gonna wrap up this vlog because I make like a vlog, explain everything. So I'm gonna wrap up this vlog here. Please leave me comment. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.